I'm like, whoa, what kind of fish is that?
Alright, guys.
We are back.
We're back after a while. We're going camping. As you can see, we're loaded down. We've got Ember, Stella, Roscoe, and an extra. We've got, who's it, Jackson, but we're dropping him off. We're going down to the Citico River. We're going dispersed camping. There's 13 sites, no reservation, so it's all first come, first serve, but Tuesday, middle of the week, I think we're good. But yeah, missions for today are getting us and the cats down there in one piece, getting camp set up, locating camp, cooking dinner. It's about a 4.5 hour drive, so we've got quite the journey ahead of us, and it's gonna be an adventure. All right, here we are at Citico Creek. I think it's like dispersed campsite number 13. Pretty cool spot. We haven't been out here before. So seeing the creek nice and big, should be some good fly fishing. We're gonna check it out, walk around, set up camp, get the cats situated. All right, got the tent set up, already sweating. Holly's getting everything prepped in here. Getting it all set up, got the air mattress, got the carpet down. Looking good. Cats are in the tent. See, we've been camping with them probably like 3 or 4 times before, something like that. So they know the tent, they know it's safe, they just gotta check it out again. Roscoe, Stella, Ember. It's like 8 o'clock, 8:30, something like that, getting dark. We got some beef franks to cook up. Gonna just eat some hot dogs, put the cats down, maybe sing them a bedtime story. Who knows? But we've got a beautiful river. Oh shit. We've got a beautiful river behind us. We've got some dogs. Good vibes. Catch some fish tomorrow. I'm pretty sure we see some big ones jumping already, so. Listen to the dog sizzle. Oh. Alright. Check it out. Bam. You probably can't see nothing, but it's a good looking dog. Yeah.
Alright guys, it's getting late. We got the cats all in here, we got the fans going, a little run all night, so we'll be nice and cozy in here. So we'll see you in the morning. Peace.
Good morning. I'm gonna get some coffee going. Take these cats for a walk. Figure out what to do. So let's do it.
Good morning, Stella.
Good morning.
Oh, straight to the goodness.
We probably look like the weirdest campers out there, but we've got them in their little patio. Their little camping patio. Time to go fishing. Gotta go get some service, do a little bit of work, and then hit the fish. Roscoe, vibing. Actually not freaking out right now, which is chill.
I'm gonna move that over.
Got a big old log jam on this creek coming in. About 1,800 feet. And yeah, super clean water, looks great for Tennessee. This is probably one of our favorite camp spots, and we just found it. But it's in the Smoky Mountains, so you get the Gatlinburg, you get the Smoky Mountains feel, but you're not in the middle of Gatlinburg. It's not a tourist destination, so pretty cool spot. You can't reserve these campsites, but again, I don't think there's too many people out here. I think it's just locals really that camp it. But yeah, Citico Creek, dispersed campsites, 14 individual campsites, and then there's 2 group campsites that you can reserve, I think. So yeah, pretty cool. All right, just got the fishing spot number 1, looking good. So let's get it.
I don't know where it went.
Got our lunch supplies defrosting on the dash there.
Ooh, for the cat.
Got the cats just hanging out. All right, check it out. Here's the spot. So that don't look like some good fly fishing water right under that tree right there. Looks like Holly's probably gonna take that spot. I might go downriver a little bit. Well, I don't know. She's not taking that spot, so I think I'm gonna hit right under that tree. That is the setup, a little nymph dropper on a little dry fly there. Surprised we haven't gotten anything. There's a ton of little tiny fish right here. But haven't seen anything over just a couple inches. Did you get any bites? No bites? No bites. Hello. Lunchtime. Good old.
Oh, why is that?
All right, so we didn't bring any firewood, and it's been raining, but I think there is some good dead standing stuff right over there. They're right here, so let's see if we can get some firewood.
What the heck is that thing?
Oh my gosh.
It's the biggest fly I've ever seen in my life.
He's not.
What the heck is that?
All right, I should get this fire going. Maybe find some bigger wet stuff around camp that can dry out on top of this. The babies have survived. The rain is coming down. Should we let Ross go out? I think we should. Let me get this on here first. What's up, dude?
She's like, it's raining. Stella, you little stinker. What the heck? Oh, yeah.
Let's do it. No. Oh, why am I always doing that? Casting too far. Alright, well, no fish today, and the signs out here say regulation has it at fishing only on, well, no fishing on Thursday and Friday, and tomorrow's Thursday and we're leaving on Friday, so I don't think we're catching fish today. But beautiful creek. You'd think they'd be in there, but see if we can get a fire going. It might be working. Ooh. Sheesh. Looks like we've got wild pig tracks all through here. We were in a nearby park not too long ago and we seen a few, so it'd be cool if they run up on us, but they were getting busy rooting in here for sure. Look at that. Dang.
I've done what you asked, the woman says to me. I know your end of the bargain. I speak to you.
Alright, we got some skirt steak. We're gonna do some mac and cheese for dinner. It's gonna be bomb diggity. Just seen some crawdads in the creek down there, so I'm thinking maybe we can catch some crawdads.
Alright guys, so we're making a crawdad trap. Daniel saw some crawdads in the water. So we're using some of this plastic chicken wire basically. We use it for the roof of the cat enclosure. So right now we're just taking some paracord. We're going to loop it through, make a tunnel, and then what are you doing after that?
Then we gotta make some cones to tunnel them in and put some bait in and see how it goes.
Alright.
We've got the crawdad trap finished up here. I think it looks pretty good. We've got some salami we're gonna set as bait here in the middle and set it out overnight, see what we can catch.
Alright, we got the crawfish trap set up in the water. We just got it tied off to this boulder right here so it won't float down. So we'll leave it, we'll check it in the morning. Hopefully we caught at least a few crawfish or little trout or something. There's a bunch of little fish swimming over here, so we should get pretty lucky. So we will see you guys in the morning. Peace. Good morning, everyone. So we set the trap last night for crawfish, so we're gonna check it right now. We're gonna go down to the creek.
Oh yeah.
Hey!
We caught some fish.
We got some fish.
We were not trying to catch fish.
Yeah, we weren't trying to catch fish.
I don't know if that's legal or not.
We're trying to catch crawfish, but we caught some small guys.
We'll get them out of here safe and sound. They were like
Yeah.
carpet.
Oh yeah, they're like sucker fish. Oh yeah. But at least we didn't get skunked. So that's cool. Oh my, whoa, what kind of fish is that?
It's a squawfish or a sucker fish.
Oh my god.
Oh, it's not giant. For this creek, pretty massive, but it's all kinds of beat up. Must
It's swimming right there.
Stalker. That, I don't know, it's got disease. Probably been caught too many times.
Good job.
Be good. Oh my gosh.
Killer grinds.
Killer grinds. Well, that was delicious. We're leaving in the morning. We're gonna pack up almost everything, get it prepped to go, so it'll be super quick in the morning. So we're gonna get to that and then probably head to bed soon, and in the morning figure out where we're going next. Good morning.
Good morning.
We've been up for a bit, but it absolutely dumped rain last night.
Yeah.
Thunder, lightning, the whole thing. So we gotta clean up the tent, but look at that. It just dumped so hard. Got dirt, look at this. Splashed dirt everywhere. Rain came down right here and just dug a hole into the ground. But held up, stayed dry.
Alright guys, that's it for this video. We are going to find service and figure out where we're gonna go next, but that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share it. So yeah, we'll see you next time. Peace.
Bye.